Good morning to all. In my previous class, I already discussed about the different kind of mechanisms, machines, and how we are transferring the energy and what is the kinetic energy and dynamic energy and all we already discussed. So our second year mechanical section students, they have to plan to take on case studies. They have to select the single case studies which is related to the single machineries. In our previous class, I have discussed about the 4 bar and epicyclic gear drive, compound gear drive, and universal joints and different types of mechanisms and machines discussed. So each individual students they have to take on mechanisms and what is the problem acquired in that mechanisms and how we are changing that particular components or type means how we are increasing the energy or power and all today they are going to discuss.
Good morning everyone, myself Nandakishore. I want to discuss about my case study is how to reduce the weight in engine components like crank, connecting rod, piston, pins, bearings, that's all. This is the connecting rod. This material is cast iron. I like to reduce composite the material with aluminum, mild steel and cast iron with composite the materials and cast the materials to prevent or reduce the weight in components. You assume this connecting rods are playing. This is the crank. It is rotates when reciprocating motion will run connect. The piston will goes up and down when the power generated. If the connecting rod and crank weight are heavy, the piston movement will slow down. The efficiency will slow. By preventing to reduce this connecting rod and crank material to composite with aluminum, more like etc. If the less the weight, the efficiency will be increased by 5 to 10%. The variant wear and tear will lower with the help of the 3 dots for lubrications to connect the crank joint to connecting rod with the oil pump. This is the case study I will study in 4-bar mechanism. Next, the case study is spur gear mechanism. The spur gear is
Yeah, correct. Which is the compound gear, right? Here we are using the spur gear. Already we have to use. What kind of modification
is instead of spur gear, we are going to helical gear or long gear. If helical gear is 45 degree taper with the air resistance, I assume this is IC in transmission. This is the power generated by time engine. This is the clutch set. This is the clutch gear. This is shocking gear. If the spur gear is runs, the gear will move. The gear is damaged without any lubrication or maintenance. If a helical gear is missed, the angles of this 45 degree is the steering gear is lower than the spur gear and transmission efficiency is 100%. Power crankshaft power to change by the chain drive or belt drive. The efficiency will more. The gear is low in helical gear instead of spur gear. Nice.
start?
Myself, Ritik Prajan. Today my topic is episode gear. This is the sun gear and this is the landing gear. This is usually in starting motor and differential. This is fixed position and this is rotation movement. My suggestion and study about gear. Is we providing the helical gear for reducing weight with the aluminum metal. For helical gear, reducing the sound and weight and the friction also. So we have a good efficiency in the gear. So this is my case study.
So myself is from today my case study is about the evolution. It is also known as food cycle. It is is used in power transmissions, which helps to transfer power from one shaft to another shaft, which has an issue of animal cylinder. Instead of using gears, we can use joint chain wheels, which reduces the weight of the joint and which is easily replaceable. We can replace the joint in any case.
Myself, I think today we discussed about simple gear trains. I am one of here. Each shaft carries only one shaft mechanism. It is mainly used to transmit motion of the power shaft and to change the speed of direction, rotation, components.
Here also we are using some of the MS cast and based on their application and specifications we have to change any kind of material. So all this case study which is related to our mechanical machineries as well as the simple mechanism. So everybody is saying only once we have to change the material means automatically either we have to choose the composite material means we have to reduce the weight. So which is in our aerospace industries they have to prefer the less weight. That is the main case study. So your case studies which is related to your aircraft machineries, automobile machines, IC
for more efficiency.
more efficiency. So whatever the case study you have to study is which is all applicable for our automobile industries as well as the aircraft and other machineries. Okay, nice, good presentation.